24, a little after 5 in the morning, a car sits parked at a BP gas station just outside Detroit, Michigan. A woman suddenly jumps out and runs, with the man from the driver's seat chasing after her around the car. As their argument escalates, he jumps back into the driver's seat while she moves toward the store, before stepping on the gas and driving the car straight at her. She barely escapes into the store, being missed by inches. The suspect exits the vehicle and runs inside after her. Now the victim is in a fight for her life, and moments away from being abducted. That's when the clerk secretly calls 911.
Police, fire, EMS.
It's a gas station. They got somebody, he beat up the girl in a BB gas station, garage at the 9 Mile. He's going to be sent to the police.
Okay, what's going on?
Somebody, he beat up the girl.
Beat up a girl?
Yeah, he beat up her in the back leg. He's going to send the police fast.
Okay, what kind of car is he in?
He got a blue Camry.
A blue Camry?
Hurry up, hurry up.
Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
23 dispatch, he's taking off. Copy a plate.
Wow, yo, before we finish this video, the title of this video is Girlfriend Beater Caught on New Year's in 4K. So, remember to call a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, let them know Rummy Rome's in the house. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right, keep your mind tight, keep your vibes high.
Edward Paul Tom 9070. Gonna be southbound, Gratiot, coming up to Comfort, speed 70, all traffic, 30 station to copy. Still southbound Gratiot, coming up to 8 Mile, speeds 105, through 8 Mile, speeds 107, no traffic, copy, it's all green right now. We're still southbound Gratiot, coming up to Linwood, just disregarded a red light at McNichols, speeds 110, no traffic. Alright, looks like we're going to be going westbound on St. Patrick. Speeds 25. Going to be going southbound Bradford. Westbound Whitehorn. Southbound Gunston, speeds 25. Eastbound Findlay, speeds 30, no traffic. Northbound Bradford, speeds 15, no traffic. Eastbound Woodford, speeds 40, no traffic. Gonna be northbound Drifton, westbound Findlay, speeds 30, no traffic. Northbound Devon, speeds 35, no traffic. slowing down. Disregarded stop sign at handbrake.
Bro, at this point, you should know you're not gonna get away.
Westbound Burlow. Westbound McNichols. Speed 16. No traffic. Disregarded the red light at Kingston. Southbound Canberry. Going eastbound at Steinmeier Street. Speed 16, no traffic.
You know, whoa, what happened? You know what I wondered the whole time is he in the car still beating her? You know what I mean? Like, this is your fault. This happened to you. This never would have happened type stuff. You should have just gotten the car. We don't know. But obviously, from the rip, he's already on camera. He's already wrong. Is it a pimp and situation? You know what I'm saying? Is one of his workers acting out of hand? Is it he obsessed? Is it a baby mama? What is it? But all I know right now is what he's doing, and he's driving around trying to figure it out. He ain't gonna get away. You're not gonna get away. So you might as well stop and just get it over with, bro. I know she's scared. She gotta be scared.
Disregarded the red light at Strasbourg. Speeds 90, no traffic. Through Gratiot. Speed 70, no traffic. Southbound Coast. Eastbound Coast 30.
Almost hit that car. I know whatever he is, the streets is quiet, bro. There ain't a lot of people on the streets. Oh, he hopped out.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! You're gonna get shot! Stand the ground! Stand the ground! 23, dispatch 20 custody. What do you have to do all that? How many more what? Talking about this fuck. You know how many people you could have killed? Killed doing what? Running. How about you stand the fuck up? I'm telling you, ain't got to. Don't be stupid. Don't be. Don't talk.
She drove off? What? She got the hell up out of there.
it around.
Hey, man.
Oh, that hoe ass. That whole shit is making you in jail. Okay. With a felony charge. Multiple. Good luck. Multiple what? Hey, this that was on me. Where'd the car go? This bag.
Where'd the car go? Oh, what?
I know how much money I got. No, pull my shit in. You don't pull my shit out. Now you gotta take my, I carry. Take my shit out here. I carry. No, that's my sister right there. I know how much money everything I got.
120, just be advised, 123 is going to be
Come on, bruh.
west of your location.
Whoa.
What's that?
I just built a budgeting app in Base 44.
Guys.
I see. Ooh, we got two idiots.
Why she run though?
Oh, we got your boy. Yeah, whoever took the car. 23's out with Detroit. What's up, man?
Is this the one that
Yeah.
This ain't me.
Yeah, it is.
I got assaulted at East Park. How you got
So why'd you take off when you got
I
out of
didn't
the car
take off.
running?
I wasn't driving.
Right. So why'd you take the car after
I
he
was going
bailed
back to
out?
my mama's house. What you mean? I got assaulted. Go watch
Right.
the cameras.
You called us.
I didn't call you. I got assaulted.
Okay.
I called my mama. My phone is still at the gas station. What do you mean?
You're not understanding.
You not understand what I'm saying? I got assaulted and
He bailed out on the street over,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
You chose to take the car and
and
go.
take off to my mother's
Okay.
house.
All right. She's the
mean?
victim of the initial offense.
What you mean? Y'all got me in handcuffs and I got assaulted.
Hey, firm, the female victim is in the vehicle. She was the driver that took the car after.
I just got stumped out. Go watch the cameras. You
I
mean?
was going to watch the cameras till you
Go
started to
get my
freeze.
phone.
I ain't going to get nothing.
Come on.
I ain't going to get nothing.
Man,
So
that's
we're
some
gonna take
hood
the car.
ish right there, bro. They on some whole hood ish. You know good and well, if it was something other than just maybe pimping and him trying to check his chick or whatever went down, you could tell she's used to it. You could tell she's used to it by her reaction. Like, what you mean? I just got stomped out. Like, that's happened before. You've got punched or hit or beat before. It ain't nothing new to you. You probably was tired of it. You probably tried to run away from it this time. Like it, you know what I'm saying? Hoping they just get him and leave you alone. But that's not the case. You can't be like, oh, I just got stumped out and say it all nonchalantly. Like, she ain't crying. She ain't hysterical. She ain't none of that. She like, you know what I'm saying? I had to get back to my mama's house. For what reason? What you hiding? Because that's what they thinking now. What are you hiding?
That's fine.
We'll take
Can y'all
you-
call my
we'll-
mama? Can you call my mama, please?
Right,
I have
so
no
when we
phone.
get
It's at
back-
the gas station.
It's closer to call her from the station because it's right down the road. So we'll take you to the station, call your mom, you grab your phone from the gas station and go back to wherever.
Can y'all take me to go get my phone?
Yes, we're taking you back to
Okay.
the station. It's across the street.
That's fine. I need some shoes too.
Where are your shoes at?
They in the car. I got to. They probably at the gas station. I got to beat the so I don't know.
All right. Turn around. Let's switch over. You taking both? No, so I'll just take her to the station, have her mom pick her up.
Water.
I'll put you in that car so you don't gotta stand around. Yeah, more paperwork.
He's stressed out about that paperwork.
Sorry? You're taking her. Don't worry about her. Just worry about yourself right now.
I did what I did.
Could have just talked to us instead.
I'm about to die, man. I can't breathe, man. I'm about to pass out.
Oh, you're fine.
Shut up,
Man, I
man.
swear to God.
Yeah, I'll crack the window for you a little.
No, man.
The suspect, 33-year-old Antonio Burton, was charged with multiple felonies, including kidnapping, assault with intent to murder, felonious assault, and fleeing and eluding, as well as a misdemeanor charge for damage to property. He ultimately pled guilty to felony fleeing and eluding and was sentenced to a maximum of 4 years at Central Michigan Correctional Facility. His maximum release date is January 2030, when he will be 39 years old.
Man, one thing I can't stand is a dude who hit women, man. I can't stand it. Because that let me know instantly they can't fight. That's the type of dude to talk all that mess and can't fight. You know what I mean? So he big and bad and tough and hard and this, that, and the third. But if it was another dude, you could tell that he couldn't fight and he would get beat up. It's something he's used to doing. It's some insecurity that he has or some jealousy that he has or some type of, power trip that he has that thinks that because I'm bigger than you and I'm a man and I can control you, that you better do what I say. That's what it's giving off. They ain't really get into detail what's going on, but it looked like something like that. You know what I mean? Did she take his money? Did she take his drugs if he had it? Did she take his guns? Was she doing something she wasn't supposed to do? You know what I'm saying? It don't matter. You don't need to hit ever in any situation, ever need to hit a woman. It's just simple. You know what I mean? For all that, 4 years. You know what I mean? That's nothing. That ain't nothing. And guarantee when he get out, 9 times out of 10, she might go back to mess with him. You never know. She might be so battered. She might be like, hey man, he's not him. This is not how he is. You know what I mean? This is a sad situation. That's down bad, bro. Dude is down bad. If you like videos like this, let me know. We can always find more. Call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Let them know Romy roams in the house, in your mouth. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep your vibes high. And if you haven't tapped into the lives, make sure you tap into the lives Saturday and Sunday, 4 to 6, and Tuesdays, sometimes from 6 to 8. I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace and love.